Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial. For today's video, I will teach you how to make a cinematic video. So first of all, we're gonna go to create a new one and press on video. Put landscape video. And here we would want to go to your titles and just search on cinematic. So here we can see a cinematic title here. So you're just gonna select on which one would you like. So for example, this one. Say here we go. We have a cinematic title here. So how do we animate the cinematic title here in Canva? So we just press here, press animate, then you can put a send or a typewriter. Then you can like say cinematic. There we go. Then for if you want it to more look like more cinematic, you can put a frame here, like a rectangle below. Or let's say a border. Or like let's say we have a border here. So now we can see that we have our cinematic title by just using the templates. Now it looks more cinematic, but there are more templates here that are also cinematic, like this one or say this one. We can see here that this looks more cinematic, right? There we go. That's how we make a cinematic animation in Canva. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more Canva tips and tricks to come. And please hit the bell button. Once again, thank you for watching our channel.